In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use the AI features in GoHighLevel. With the rapid advancement of AI technology, enhancing your business operations has never been easier. GoHighLevel offers a suite of AI-powered tools that can significantly optimize your workflow, improve customer interaction, and boost your content creation. Let's dive into what these features offer and how you can enable them. To start, let's explore the main AI features that are readily available in GoHighLevel. First, we have Conversation AI. This feature is designed to automate responses across multiple communication channels, such as SMS replies, website chats, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram DMs. It also handles appointment bookings, making customer interaction seamless and efficient. Next, there's Voice AI. This is essentially an AI phone receptionist that takes on a variety of tasks. It can answer calls, qualify leads, book appointments, and even transfer calls to human agents when necessary. It's a great way to ensure that your customer service runs smoothly even when you're short-staffed. Then we have Content AI, which is a powerhouse for generating content. Whether you need to craft emails, text messages, social media posts, funnel copy, or blog content, this feature has you covered. It saves you time and ensures that your messaging stays consistent and professional. Workflow AI is another key feature that adds AI actions inside your workflows. This includes AI-powered responses, lead scoring, summarization, and intent detection. By integrating AI into your workflows, you streamline operations and enhance decision-making processes. Finally, there's AI Studio, a versatile tool for building websites, landing pages, funnels, and dashboards. It's powered by AI, which means it simplifies the creation process while ensuring high-quality results. Now that you're familiar with the AI features, let's look at how you can enable these tools in your GoHighLevel account. To begin the process, log into your GoHighLevel account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the AI settings. Depending on your account version, you can do this by going to either the AI section directly in your settings or through the AI employee settings. Once you're in the correct settings area, you can begin to enable the AI tools you want to use. This typically involves turning on features like Conversation AI, Voice AI, Content AI, and Reviews AI. Keep in mind that certain features might require additional things like AI credits, an AI employee subscription, or Labs activation, so make sure you have these prerequisites covered before proceeding. With everything set up, you're now ready to utilize the full potential of AI features in GoHighLevel, transforming how you manage your business. By following these steps, you can make your operations more efficient, engage with your customers more effectively, and take your content creation to the next level. Congratulations on integrating AI into your workflow.